We're talking about graphing here, and in this example we're going to graph y equals the absolute value of x plus 2. I want to remind you how to get the absolute value button on the calculator. So on the calculator here, I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to clear out anything that's already there. Clearing this out and quitting from that. To get the absolute value sign, you simply go to the math button. You press the math button. Right there is the math button. And if you look, move it over to the right to number, and the very first thing that's listed there is an absolute value that we can use to type in. Of course, to make a graph though, we need to first go to y equals. So press the y equals button, which is located right there. Press the y equals button and clear out anything that's already there, as I'm doing. And now I'm going to press the math button, and I'm going to go over to get my absolute value, and I'm going to type in x plus 2, take it out of there so it's ready to go, and now I'm ready to take a look at what that looks like. I'm going to press the graph button. Where's the graph button? The graph button is right there. Press that, and this is giving me an idea of what it looks like, but we would like to see the table, because the table is what helps us to plot our points. So to get the table, we press second, which is right there. Press second, and take it to table, which is right there, and here we have a nice table of the points that we're going to plot in our graph. So I'm going to be looking at that table as I plot these points. The very first thing we want to do is make sure that we label our axes. Oh, there's our y-axis, and here's our x-axis. Put in a scale, a 1 and a 1, and I'm going to start plotting these points very quickly now. Negative 2, 0, so negative 1, negative 2, and then 0. The next one is negative 1, 1, so negative 1, 1. The next one that I have here is 0, 2, so 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, and then up, 1, 2, 3. Another point on here is 2, 4, so 1, 2, and then up, 1, 2, 3, 4. How about some points over there? To get some points over there, I'm going to scroll up on the table. So scrolling up, I'm going to press the up button here to scroll up to get some negative values of x. Getting some negative values of x now. It looks like I have here negative 3, and then up 1, negative 4, 2, negative 5, 3. This is giving me an idea of what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw in the graph, put arrows at both ends. This is the graph of y equals the absolute value of x plus 2.